Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some Valentine's Day packaging that I've been working on. I want to share with you the dies, some of the dies that I used, and then I'll share with you what I created with them. All right, so let's get started. I used this tag. It's a cross-stitch tag die that I have. I used this treat topper die. I used this bag die. It's really, really cute. And then I also used this treat topper set, which is from Alina Craft Store. It comes with the treat topper and then the little layering piece that you can add to the bow. I do have all three of those treat toppers. This one is a circle one, and then it comes with that piece. And then this is the butterfly treat topper. In case you hadn't seen them before, they're all super cute. My new favorite one right now is this one. So that's what I used for Valentine's Day. All right, so let me share with you what I created using those toppers, well, the bow topper. I made these toppers using the dies. I cut it out of deco paper and then layered the bow with glitter, and then I used a Fisker's Heart Punch for the center. And then I used that tag die to layer my faux leather glitter bows that I shared with you guys a few videos back. And this is how I packaged them up so I can gift them to some crafty friends. And I think they came out adorable. So I have this one, and then this is the back. I did finish off the back on this one. You don't have to, but it is a little bit more work, but it's an added touch. And then I have my handmade stamp right there. And then I made this one right here, and I just used different deco paper and had fun. It's really pretty, and this is the back of that one. And then this is the last one that I packaged up. Really cute. All right, moving along, I did pick up these really cute cups from the Target Dollar Spot. I shared with you in my Target haul a few videos back, and they have, this one said you plus me equals glitter, and then this one says, hey gal. And what I did was I went to Bath & Body Works and I got a couple of those bath fizzy bombs, and I stuck it in here and added crinkly paper, and as you can see I have it in a bag. Used some of this curling ribbon attached to one of my handmade tags that I shared with you guys, and I think that came out super cute. So I'm looking forward to gifting this to a crafty friend this Valentine's Day. And this is the second one. This one says, hey gal. Really, really cute. And then here's my handmade tag. And I've shared those before, but that's how I use them on this cute packaging right here. It's a fun little gift to give. All right, the next thing I'm going to share with you are these cute little treat boxes right here. That is using this die right here. Now, when you run this through your die cut machine, it does not cut out all these little pieces. What that does is just embosses. So you can emboss this after you run it through your die cut machine if you want all of this decorative edging on your bag. I didn't emboss it, I just used it as the cute treat bag. As you can see, it does have the lines, the stitched lines, but it doesn't have like the butterflies and hearts as you saw on the die. So this is how it looks put together. It's super cute. I put one of my little critters on here, and then I added a bow and some fun ribbon from Michaels. And this is the back of this one. Really cute, and what I did was I just added some candy to these little treat bags. This is the next one, and I have a crafty friend who gifted me a bunch of these hearts. She wishes to remain anonymous. Hi there, thank you so much. You know who you are, and just want to let you know I'm using some of the stuff you sent me. So anyway, using those acrylic hearts are really pretty. And then I didn't add anything to the back of that. Just used some stickers that I had in my stash, felt stickers probably from Michaels. This one has to be my favorite. I used the cupcake from Hobby Lobby. And then this, of course, is my all-time favorite bow. Love this bow, My Creative Time. And then again, I used one of those acrylic hearts to put in the center, and then just some fun ribbon. Super, super cute, right? Love it. And then this was the last one that I made, and they're all about the same. I just used different felt stickers and different ribbons to complete the little box. And this is just a fun, small little treat to give to my crafty friends. All right, moving along. I made a bunch of these little bags that are filled with candy, and I'm just gonna go through and share with you. I just layered some of my rosettes and some of my embellishments that I have in my stash, and I have some crinkle paper and a couple pieces of chocolate in here. So there's one, and I've got this one. That one has love and one of the rosettes that I've made. This one's really cute right here. It says shine. And then this pretty rosette right there. And then I made 3 more. So I have this one right here, and it says sweet. And I've shared this die before. I didn't bring it down. I used one of my heart dies and then layered it with foam stickers, probably from Dollar Tree or Michael's. Here's another one using one of the rosettes I made, and again, foam stickers. And this is the last one, using my heart lacy die that I have, and then another foam sticker, and then that die cut word, it says so sweet, but I just cut off the so, and it would just say sweet, and fit perfectly on that tree topper. I think that was adorable. And then 2 more things. I have these cute little envelopes that I put together, and I did make some paper clips. This is from the Dollar Spot from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. That bling from Dollar Tree, I made a paper clip, and then I backed it with some of that Target, that goodie box that you can get from chipboard at Target. That's what I used to back the paper clip. And then I just took some ribbon and some pretty trim. I believe this was gifted to me by Susan Laverty. She gave me some of this trim from Daiso. And so I pulled that out. I pulled out a foam sticker, and then that's how that came out. Really, really cute. And then on the inside, if you just open it up like that, I have some little goodies in here. So each one has another paper clip that I've made. This was made by a little bee die, this little envelope. And then this is the back of the paper clip. It has lips on the back, and they're all a little bit different. And then I included a little stamped image. And then also, this one didn't have it in there, but each one of them will have this little girl, and it says just a note. This is the greeting farm stamp, and I just die cut it out of a square stitch die, and I figured this would be cute to put in the little bag. Someone could color her up because I inked her and embossed her, so all they have to do is stick her on a card and give it to somebody. So I thought this was a fun little cute gift to give to a crafty friend. And then everything just slides back in here. And then, actually, I gotta take this one out because I didn't put this in there before. I'll probably have to just clip it to the back like that on this particular one because the fold is a little bit different. And then you just attach it like that. I think that's adorable. So they get 2 paper clips and then this cute little just a note card where they can create a mini card. So I made that one, and then here's another one. And as you can see, I did all the different little clips a little bit different with different double-sided deco paper. There's the lips, the back of that one, really cute. And then here's another one that I made, and my friend Crafty Poodle Mom, she gifted me some of this fun trim, I guess a year ago, maybe last year, I think. And I pulled that out, found it. So pretty. And so I added a little dog right there, and then there's the paper clip, and then that's the back of that one. And then these are just a couple other paper clips that I've made. They're really cute and simple. I just thought they would be fun little gifts. So super cute. And then the last little package that I made was inspired by my friend Crystal. She is June CRYS here on YouTube. I'll link her channel in the description box below. She's JR's wifey on Instagram. I always get her channels and names confused because she doesn't use the same one on Instagram as she does YouTube. But anyway, inspired by my friend Crystal, she gifted me one of these little crates last year in our swap. And she had created a really pretty rosette and put it on top. So totally inspired by her. Hey Crystal, if you're watching. So this is what my rosette looks like, and I shared this one with you guys in a previous video, and I just hot glued it to this little crate that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And as you can see, I've got it stuffed with a bunch of goodies. I've got a little box with candy in it. I've got my little handmade bag, this little handmade bag with the clips, that's in there as well. And then I've got a couple of tags and some die cuts, some candy, and just some little goodies that I'm gifting my friend. And I attached one of my tags that I made. And I think it came out so, so cute. So this is my share for you guys today. I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.